English with Billy-Bud. Interrogative pronouns. Let's start with the simple question. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that replace nouns and noun phrases. So what are interrogative pronouns? Study English. They are words used to ask questions. In simple terms, there are just 5 main interrogative pronouns. They are
Hey, what's up?
who, whom, whose, which, and what. Add the words whoever,
Blast off.
whomever, whichever, and whatever, and now you have created compound interrogative pronouns. They are often used to show emphasis or surprise. Of course, the main interrogative pronouns can do the same thing in spoken English. Can you find the interrogative pronouns? Whom did he think would finish the project? Those are the tourists whose bus arrived early. Which is the best from the 2? What is his phone number? Who do you think will win the football game? Whom shall Shakespeare write about next?
Potato, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes.
Whose painting won the best of show? Which of the cars is yours?
Oh.
Bring me what you have completed.
Bing, 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 bing.
Who won the basketball game last night? Can you find compound interrogative pronouns? Please take whatever you want if you feel hungry. Whatever you do, don't lose this key. Whomever you elect will serve a 4-year term. Whoever is elected will serve a 4-year term. Whomever you recommend, we will employ. Whichever you choose, the others won't be happy. Whoever did that is despicable. Whatever you decide, I will agree. This is a much bigger subject than there is room for in this video. Ask your teacher for more examples and explanation. Have fun with English. Thanks for watching.
Blast off.
Bill, time for dinner.
Yes, dear.